BOTRS predicts every potential crisis with algorithms. In 2005, we established our engineering roots in Guangdong. For 17 years, we've dedicated ourselves to solving automotive safety challenges. We specialize in product innovation of OEM automotive radars, BSM blind spot monitoring system STEM, 360-degree panoramic imaging systems, and automotive ambient lighting, etc. From core software development to precision plastic molding, from raw material processing to hands-on quality assembly, we command the entire supply chain with proven technical excellence. To build a smart manufacturing ecosystem, we strategically upgraded industrial automation technology, deploying intelligent equipment clusters including wire harness stripping and soldering equipment enables high-precision wire processing. Automatic PCB soldering workstation ensures high welding yield. Automatic dispensing platform achieves high-precision fluid control. Intelligent wire terminal crimping system ensures. Our digital process management system ensures consistent critical procedures, delivering both quality and production efficiency. We invest in design-side R&D and maintain universal semi-finished inventories, enabling rush orders to enter express lanes through our dual-channel surge capacity precision delivery operation model. True delivery assurance means clients never need to think about it. Our company won the High-Tech Enterprise ISO 16949 certification. Automotive electronics industry 10 leading brands. CE RoHS E8 certification. We have obtained a number of R&D patents, software copyrights, etc. Cooperation with Nissan, Honda, BYD, Subaru, King Long Bus and other car companies. BOTRS redefines the safety baseline for the automotive upgrade market. BOTRS focused on automotive safety solutions.